जय कुंज बिहारी जय राधा माधव। जय जगन्नाथ छोटू माई की जय। गोपी जन वल्लभ जय गिरिवरो धारी जय गिरिवरो धारी जय गोपी जन जय गोपी जन वल्लभ जय गिरिवरो धारी जय गिरिवरो धारी जय गोपी जन वल्लभ जय राधा माधव जय कुंज बिहारी जय जय जशोदनंजन जय ब्रजजन रंजन जय ब्रजजन रंजन जय जशोदा जय जशोदनंजन जय ब्रजजन रंजन जय ब्रजजन रंजन जय जय जमुना तीरवनचारी जय कुंज बिहारी जय जमुना तीरवन जय जमुना तीरवनचारी जय कुंज बिहारी जय जमुना तीरवन जय राधा माधव जय कुंज बिहारी जय राधा हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण जय गौरानिताय 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 जय गौरानिताय जय प्रभुपदा प्रभुपदा प्रभुपद जय प्रभुपद जय श्री जगन्नाथ बल्लेश्वर माई की जय, श्री गौरनितानंद भगवान की जय, श्रीमद् भागवतम की जय, श्री प्रभुपाद की जय, गुरु बनारस की जय, गौर प्रेमानंदे। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय, ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय, ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय।
तदत्तेनानुविद्येभ्यो युक्तेभ्यो अन्तमच्छेदनम् उत्थितं पुरुषो यस्मादुत्तिष्ठविराट् तदत्तेनानुविद्येभ्यो युक्तेभ्यो अन्तमच्छेदनम् उत्थितं पुरुषो यस्मात् उत्तिष्ठविराट् तदत्तेनानुविद्येभ्यो युक्तेभ्यो अन्तमच्छेदनम् उत्थितं पुरुषो यस्मात् उत्तिष्ठविराट् மொழிபெயர்ப்பு மற்றும் பொருளை வழங்கும் தெய்வத்தின் ராசா பக்தி வேதாந்த சுவாமி பிரபுபாதகி செயல்புரிய தூண்டப்பெற்று பகவானின் முன்னிலையில் இணைந்ததுமான 7 தத்துவங்களிலிருந்து இனம் புரியாத ஒரு கரு உருவானது. அதிலிருந்து புகழ் வாய்ந்த பர உலக உயிரினம் தோன்றியது. பொருளுரை: பாலியல் வாழ்வில் பெற்றோரிடமிருந்து நீர்ம பொருள் மற்றும் உயிர் இவற்றை உள்ளடக்கிய பொருளின் இணைவு ஒரு ஆன்மாவினை படைக்கிறது. இதுவே படிப்படியாக முழுமையான உடலாக வளர்ச்சியடைகின்றது. அதே தத்துவம் உலகளாவிய படைப்பிலும் உள்ளது. கலவை கூறுகள் இருந்தாலும் பகவான் அம்மூலப் பொருட்களில் நுழைந்த பொழுதுதான் அப்பொருட்கள் உண்மையில் அசைந்தன. அதுவே படைப்பின் காரணம் ஆகும். நாம் இதை நமது சாதாரண அனுபவத்திலும் காணலாம். நம்மிடம் களிமண், நீர் மற்றும் நெருப்பு இருந்தாலும் நாம் இவற்றை இணைப்பதற்கு வேலை செய்தால்தான் அவை செங்கல் வடிவம் பெறுகின்றது. வாழும் சக்தி இல்லாமல் பொருள் வடிவம் பெறுவதற்கான வழி ஏதும் இல்லை. அதுபோல் இந்த மண்ணுலகம் விராட் புருஷராகிய பகவானால் அசைக்கப்பட்டால் அன்றி வளர்ச்சி அடையாது. யஸ்மாத் உததிஷ்டத அசௌ விராட், அவர் அசைவால் இடம் படைக்கப்பட்டது. அங்கு பகவானின் உலகளாவிய வடிவம் வெளிப்பட்டது.
जय श्री प्रभुपाद की जय। वंदेहम श्री गुरु श्रीयुतपदकमलं श्री गुरु वैष्णवानुष्ठं श्रीरूपं सर्वजातं परिजनसहितं श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य देवं श्री राधा कृष्ण पदं सगनललिता श्री विशाखान्वितांशं। ओम अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मीलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। श्रीचैतन्यमनोभीष्टं स्थापितं येन भूतले स्वयं रूपा गदमय तदधिशवदन्तिकं। नमो विष्णुपदाय कृष्णप्रेष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमती जयप्रताप समिति नामिने। नमो आचार्यपदाय निताय कृपापदायिने गौरकथ धामोदय नगरग्रामतारिणे। नमो विष्णुपदाय कृष्णप्रेष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमती भक्ति वेदांत समिति नामिने। नमस्ते सरस्वती देवे गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेष शून्यवादी पश्चातरेशचारिणे। वंशाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्येव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। नमो महावदनाय कृष्ण प्रेम प्रदाते कृष्णाय कृष्ण चैतन्य नामिने गौरते नमः। नीलाचले निवासाय निताय परमात्मने बलभद्र सुभद्राय जगन्नाथाय नमो नमः। पंचतत्वात्मकं कृष्ण भक्तरूप स्वरूपकं भक्तवतर भक्तकं नयं भक्ति शक्तिकं। हे कृष्ण करुणा सिंधु दीनबंधु जगतपते गोपेश गोपिका कांत राधा कांत नमोस्तुते। तप्त कंचन गौरांगी राधे वृंदावनेश्वरी विश्वभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि। जयतां श्रुतो पुंगव मोमुन्यमतगति मत्सर्वस्व पदम जोशी राधा मोदन दिवारविंद तिलकम कंठस्म रत्न गर्भ सिंहासनस्थो श्री राधाश्ल गोविंद पृष्ठ श्रीमान राशा रवि वंशी कोटा तटस्थ पर्शन गोपी गोपीनाथ श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद सदैत गदाधर शिवश्री गौर भक्तवृंद हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे। Today purport is very heavy. The explaining how to say this, I don't know. No, today purport is very heavy. In the sex life mentioning. Okay. Material world, this is the communication will be there for everybody, all the living entity. Abhubo Bhuvarnalaka Punarjanmana, from Brahma planet to up to and are the lower places of life. Everybody having this desire. Nobody can escape from this desire. So, whatever it is, in these connections, how Krishna created this material nature, one after another is happening in this. Though it is male and female both together combined and manufacturing other living entity. This is happening from the matter. Matter also coming from this Krishna only created. So many so-called scientists, so many knowledgeable people, they are creating so many things, but they are not able to create machines to one machine to another machines. Bhagavan Sri Krishna created machines, such a conditions, one machine to another machine he can create. That does not mean Bhagavan has to come here. Not necessary. Just male, female together mingling produce another machines. But in that, scientists try to make machines not able to do it. Because it is their knowledge and supreme knowledge is different. Even scientists created flight, moving flight was so many flight move means there is a crash will be there. But here Bhagavan Krishna created butterfly, even though moving together, but there's no crashes. So this is the difference between Supreme Lord and the living entities creations. Supreme Lord created, which is he did not has to be involved again. But human being created, it has to be involved again and again throughout their life. Then you're able to make it, otherwise not, no chance. So, only thing is that you can escape, chant the holy name of the Lord. Or, Srila Rupa Goswami mentions, Bacha Begam, Manusha Krodha Begam, Jiva Begam, all these things if you can follow, then you can come up. Just by controlling the mind and senses, then you can overcome all this problem. As you know, how our parampara, they surrendered to Krishna, they are also practicing, and they gone back to Vaikuntha Lokha. We are following the same path, definitely we will go back to Krishna. It's not that everybody has to be in this same condition throughout our life. Persons who want to stop this or really be happy life or be long life, not to mingle with any lady, then it can be long life, otherwise short time for him. Since how much in trying to being with other lady, then you should, once you do enjoyment, you come further. But as much as possible, if you neglect it, that much good for you. Live long. Once if you stop one life, next life good for you to go back to Vaikuntha very easily. Try to stop one lifetime, because so many janmas we are doing it. One lifetime if you can surrender to Krishna, that way we can go back to Krishna. Just like Bhaktivinoda Thakur, he is mentioning, Manus deha geo jo kichu mon ar kiluto apade Nanda Kishore. Or mind, manasa. Manasa means mind. Mind always engage service of Krishna. Think how I can utilizing my mind service of Krishna. Meditate on Krishna. Focus on Krishna. What is the next service should do? Or some festival is coming. Think what is supposed to do these festivals. How to utilize this. How we can progress in this. Last year we did it this and do much better than last year's. Plan, think, that way mind will be engaged. Mind will be engaged. If you not think, it will happen. So mind has to be utilized service for Krishna. Manasho deho. Deho means body. Body utilize that. Though body is a matter or jada, but you should utilize body service of Krishna. Though this is material body, always giving you problem, always trouble is coming. Somehow or other, some difficult facing from the body, but still you can utilize the body to how we can engage service of Krishna. How much you are engaging service of Krishna, that much soul will become purified. Soul will become a purified. And Manusha Deho Geho. Geho means house. House, when house is installed, Radha Krishna deity or Gaunitai, then you can utilize those deities to serve the deities. And who is the owner of the house then? Radha Krishna is the owner. And will become a servant of the Radha and Krishna. Just like in the house, owner, they are also living and servant also living. Both are living in the house or one building. Owner, they are taking care everybody, and servant, he is serving the master. What is required? He utilizing to providing the Lord. So both are in the house. Same way, Krishna is the supreme master and we are the servant. We should be in the service and serve Krishna sincerely. Then you may say, oh, I am going office, working so hard, I am getting some money. So that means I should not utilize that. Yes, you are utilize whatever you are getting, purchase vegetables, other things, cook in the house and offer to the deities. And deity will be enjoy. Whatever money you are getting, share with the whole family and with the deity's care. That way, you will be Vaikuntha Loka. Because your connection or thinking always about Krishna. Though Krishna living in the house, that house belongs to Krishna. You cannot claim this house belongs to me. Same way, we should be always think how we can be. So, Krishna surrendering to Krishna, always good conditions. Yesterday I was hearing Bhakti Charmara's class. There is mentioning how Pandavas came and their parents gone back to Vaikuntha Loka. Pandu went to the forest. At that time, he should arrow to Rishi kingdom. And Rishi and Rishi's wife both passed away. In that connections, the Rishi cursed to Pandu, when you will mingle with your wife, you will also pass away. You no more will be. Then Pandu was saying, now we cannot produce any children. So Kunti said, there is one option is there. I got mantra from Durvasha Muni. By chanting the mantra from any demigods, I can have children. Then Pandu told, okay, you produce children called all the demigods. First, she called Dharmaraj. Dharmaraj, then Yudhishthira Maharaj came. Then Vayu came Bhim. Then called Indra. Calling Indra came Arjun, like that, calling everybody. Then again Pandu told, again some more children he produced. Kunti told, no, I will not going to do any more. I will teach this mantra to Madri. Madri can produce some more children. So Madri also chanted mantra, produced 2 children. So then those Panchapandav, they came, and Pandu was so much attached to Madri. During April, May, that time the living entities desire will increase, and Madri looking very beautiful, and Pandu couldn't tolerate seeing her beauty. He wanted to enjoy the Madri, but Madri was protecting. No, don't do this. Don't. But he was so strong that time. Desire is so strong, not able to control. Finally, he passed away. Then all the sages, Jai Jagannath Balashubhadra Mai ki jai, Gunita Nishad Bhagavan ki jai. All the sages, along with Pandavas and Kunti, came to Dhritarashtra's kingdom. And Dhritarashtra came to know the sages are bringing, that means that is correct. So he accepted all the children. But Dhritarashtra, when the boys are growing, that time Dhritarashtra mind is changed. Dhritarashtra mind changed. He doesn't want to protect Pandavas. He always supporting his own son. That's why Dhritarashtra. What is the meaning of Dhritarashtra? Dhita means holding. Dhitra means holding. Rashtra means kingdom. So Dhritarashtra holding kingdom, though he is blind, he not able to. He physically blind, also mentally blind. But still he is holding the kingdom. How? He want to destroy the whole kingdom. That is his plan. Of course, Pandavas suffered so much. They did so many against of the Pandavas. Pandavas in forest struggled so much. Then later Krishna gave back the kingdom and Kauravas destroyed. So therefore, whatever condition we are having, we must surrender to Krishna. Since Pandavas surrender to Krishna, that's why they are living happy life. But Kauravas, they not surrender to Krishna, that's why the whole dynasty destroying. This is simple things. You surrender to Krishna, Krishna will protect everything. Not that you are the doer. Not that it is happening because of your deed, that's why it is happening. Not that it is happening because your past karma you did it. No, happening mercy of Krishna, all happening, whatever it is. That's why Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said, Rakhe Krishna Mare Krishna Rakhe ke. If Krishna want to protect, nobody there to kill you. And Krishna want to save you, nobody there to kill you. You must understand that. So what is happening in this material world? Under directions of Krishna. Of course, for devotees' case, entirely different. Devotees' case, Krishna completely controlling on the devotees. Because devotee knows, he does not know except Krishna. And Krishna also does not know except his devotees. Just like mother. Mother knows only child. He doesn't know anybody else. Other child he doesn't bother. On child so much affections. Same Krishna also so much affections for his devotees. Shalpa Mahaprasha Dharmashto Tayata Mohata Bhayam. Just do little seva for Krishna. How much Krishna will pleased with you. But doing little seva, you must understand, from your save your death. Nobody thinking, or demonish mentality people, they never think that Krishna going to protect me. But actually, even devotees and not devotees, Krishna protecting. Krishna is giving mercy to everybody. Just like Bhakti Sharma is giving, saying that even though we are serve Krishna, not serve Krishna, we are getting air, we are breathing, that air oxygen we are getting, how much you are paying for Krishna? We are getting so much oxygen. He is supplying everybody. So how much you are giving to that? Therefore, you must serve Krishna. Whatever condition you are having, Krishna will give everything to you. Not that he is envious to you. No. We are envious of Krishna. We don't want to worship Krishna. We are blaming Krishna. Rather, worshipping our family. Worshipping our family, but not Supreme Lord. Many other people, they are worshipping other demigods, but not surrendering to Krishna. Because immediately they want result in material life. That's why they are worshipping all the demigods. And which is they can get back immediately result. But Krishna never giving like that. Krishna will give, but you have to wait for it. When Krishna will give you, then you can materially and spiritually both way you can enjoy. When Krishna will give, that time you cannot hold with the two hands. If you give, and if you not give means that's all, you are not able to get anything. But you have to be make it that positions. Krishna will give you. Not that Krishna doesn't want to give. He already gave and he is giving also. But we are not. We are not going to. Therefore, whoever it is, what condition you are having, what position you are having, what is the situation you have, all these things you leave it and surrender to Krishna. Krishna will take care. Krishna taking care, birds, beasts, insect, animals, everybody, even tree, he will take care of you also. So therefore, whatever conditions we are moving, should not neglect serve to Krishna. How much possible utilize your body to serving Krishna. Krishna is waiting that he should come and serve me and come back to Vaikuntha Loka. He is waiting for that, but we are not utilizing. Though we know if we serve Krishna, we are able to go back. We know all the aparadha, we know purifications, but still we are not putting effort. We are not putting effort. Okay, it is going on, let us go on. Okay, it is moving, okay, came, no problem. Like that, excuse giving and moving, going on like that. How long you going to go like this? How long? So, you have to be surrender, take it seriously and serve Krishna. That way you are able to go back to Krishna. How much you are dedicated, that much Krishna will come to you. In Mugi Samhita mentioned that even if you go one step, Krishna will come you 10 steps. Because he is so merciful. He is so merciful. But we are not willing to serve him. That is the difference between he and us. That's why he is Supreme Father. He is protecting everybody. Just like when father, child crying, that time child, father take the child and go to the park. In the park, lot of boys are playing in the park. So what father will do? He keep the baby along with the other boys and he'll go somewhere and sit and watching the baby. Or the baby any danger positions or not. So he was watching. And baby he is playing with other kids. The baby, he playing with the kids, totally forgot the father. He not able to, totally forgot. Completely observe about playing mood. Fully observe. But father, he is sitting and watching. My son is doing it. He is not forgot. But child, he is forgot. He not able to remember. And when sunset is came, dark is appearing, that time all started going, and then this boy started crying. Father started crying. Please come and take care. Immediately father came, taking the child, going back to the home. Same way, we came to this material world, having this family life. Due to the family, we totally forgot about Krishna. Not able to remember Krishna. But Krishna is watching what we are doing it. He is watching. But we are not willing to surrender. This is the positions happen material people. Even though they know Supreme Lord, but still they are not willing to do that. not willing to do that, not even go take association with devotees. So, always take association with devotees and serve Krishna, full faith, then Krishna will come and he'll give you mercy. So, whatever position you are having, whatever condition you are having, please try, even though be there, but surrender to Krishna. Brahmaji told this one, what position you are having, whether you are doctor or magistrate, chemical engineer, whatever it is, you surrender to Krishna. Like Arjun, though he is Kshatriya, but still he was surrendering to Krishna. Whatever Krishna's suggestion is given, all Pandava they all accepted. They never neglected Krishna's word. That's why they became a great devotee of the Lord. So whatever condition come, you just surrender to Krishna. Then Krishna will give all the mercy. Hare Krishna, Jai Shri Prabhupada ki, Gaur Premanandi.